siya. Nagsasalita ako, tapos nagsasalita siya. Dad, ayoko na.
Mag-usap kayo.
Hi guys! So today we have these packages from Shopee because of the
Sanitize sale. We already sanitized this, so first sanitize tayo ulit with the alcohol.
yes.
Ew.
Okay, first we get hands
Yeah, so alcohol. Don't forget to sanitize.
to make sure there's no virus.
Open po namin ito lahat ngayon. Wow! I'll show you. Okay? So, first one you wanna open it.
This one, get scissors. We're doing this alone and make sure to get help from adults before you cut it. Unless you know how to.
The first package.
From Ninja Van. I mean the packaging is from Ninja Van. Put that bloopers. Let's open it.
Slime kit. No,
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
gonna open it next time, okay?
Yeah, next time we'll open all this.
But this slime kit contains everything you need to make a slime.
Yeah, blue activator and some foam
Sprinkles. So Summer's
Foam
gonna
base.
vlog this on a different vlog.
Yeah,
So
like
it's very
this.
fun for the kids.
Except if they are like little kids, it might be exciting.
Next package. This is from Shopee also. I don't know.
Yeah, everything is from Shopee.
Yeah, everything is from Shopee. So Shopee.
Okay, let me open. And we have another one here. LED lights.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's the LED lights. Guys, we also ordered LED lights. This is just Shopee.
Yeah.
There's
This
gonna
is
be
the LED
more
lights.
on like next vlog. There's gonna be
This is the
more.
LED lights we ordered from
Shopee.
Shopee seller also. We're going to put it on the back of the TV.
This
Yeah.
remote looks so cool.
They have a remote.
This remote
and-
looks so cool.
It's 5 meters long. Ganito siya. Pwede siya
Yeah.
i-connect to each other.
And you can like,
Ayan.
yeah, you
Tapos
can
may
connect.
3M sticker siya. So, stick mo na lang siya sa wall or sa back ng TV. This is the
Can I
remote.
control the
This
remote?
is the remote. I'll show you. Wait, this is the remote. So cute.
Yeah, I love the remote.
It has a lot of colors.
Yeah, and you can even
then
make your own color if you want.
you have to turn it on.
I think you have to remove the plastic first.
Oh, it's not working.
We need batteries.
Daddy, what do you think? It's a fail.
Look, this package looks so nice.
Mamaya na natin i-try. We'll try this later na lang. Because it's not working.
This is from Shopee too. Everything's from Shopee. Because it's a Shopee haul.
Careful with the scissors.
Yeah, as a parent.
So, very good yung ano nila. Packaging.
Yeah, it's really hard to open.
Oh, I think it's for me.
Oh, that's for you too?
Yeah. It's Olay. So, I bought this for 1.8. The original price is 3,000 something plus free shipping.
Everything's free shipping.
Almost
Shopee.
50%. Olay. Next one.
This one, wow, this looks big. It looks nice too. This, oh my gosh.
Oh, this is for Daddy.
Daddy got
We made us order this one. Wow! This is a LED light with remote control set of 2.
Except it's just one.
No, it's 3.
No, I mean the colors. Just one.
Yeah, it's just one color, pero you can use it, you have to stick it lang. And then you put batteries on it.
I know.
We ordered 2 pairs of this. So we have 6. We're going to put this in the stairs. Sa shelves. So we're gonna try this now. Yan siya. Tapos may adhesive sa likod. So you stick it on the walls or on the ceiling.
This is the remote.
This is the remote control. It has a holder. You
Wow.
stick it on the wall also so you won't lose it.
So it's like aircon and then like
Yeah.
conditioner you put it on.
So let's try if it works. Ay, parang wala siyang battery.
Let's
Let's test it out
test it out
next
in
time
another
na lang.
video.
This this one?
This big one, I like this one. Yeah, this really go on Shopee packaging. Okay. Oh, another slime kit.
We bought two slime kits
Yeah, we
from
have.
different sellers.
Yeah, of course. Not to say. This flies. Alright, here.
Show it.
We have instant snow too. It's nice. We can make instant.
Also a set.
slime.
You can make this with your kids.
Friends.
Yeah. It has instant snow and slime cream. It's different. I think this is the cloud one.
Yeah.
And so now we have two.
No,
Summer's
this-
gonna vlog this
Next one.
next time.
I'm just waiting for my,
I think it's for me.
Oh yeah, because I don't really order pink stuff.
So, I ordered this whip soap. Late na naman ako kasi matagal na itong uso. So, I'm gonna try this now lang. Sabi nila may fake daw. Totoo ba yun? May fake ba? So, nag-order ako sa Watsons para sure na hindi fake. Excited na ako tayo.
This looks the same, right?
Yeah. So, let's do the next one. It's for you. You want
Oh.
I don't know if it's for you. There's a thank you card.
Oh my gosh,
And
it's
free
my,
face mask.
It's my, oh my,
Thank you.
it's my,
What's that?
it's my, I know. So guys, this is my journal.
Wow!
Yeah, so this is my journal. I like the cover, that's why we ordered it. Here, it's
A
like
journal.
It's a journal. Wanted to get a journal because like I have, in my school, we have a journaling club and I just wanted a journal. Like, yeah, you know.
What are you gonna put in the journal?
I'm gonna put my life.
This is the next package.
Okay. Open this later.
Just put it up.
Okay, so everyone can see.
So what's this? What's this?
Okay, so guys, this is my stickers for the journal because I wanted to make stickers too, so I can make like fun things. There's like a lot of stickers.
That's really cute. Look. Radiate positivity. Last two package.
Okay.
So this one.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it. I mean those stuff.
This is mine.
And I can read your
You can just go home.
Bye bye.
This is a kitchen scale. Pag nagluluto ako, I need a scale, especially when I'm cooking baked sushi.
Oh my
Super
sushi.
mura, 100 something lang ata siya. May kasama na rin battery. Sana mag-work. Does it work?
Wait, let's put something on. You just want to test
Yeah!
it.
It's working.
So
304. It's working. May free battery pa, yay.
Yeah.
Good scale.
Okay, the last one.
The last one is for me, again, and daddy.
Wow!
Hinihintay ko na ito, nakaraan pa eh. Kailangan na natin. Badly needed. So, weighing scale, again. May libreng battery. Tapos, meron libreng pansukat ng bewang.
Wow!
That means you,
Kasi bumili ako last 2 years ago ata. From China din, 200 pesos, sira na siya. So, bumili na ako ng bago. Tingnan natin kung gumagana. So, check natin kung nagtabaan na yung mga tao dito sa bahay. Kaya may ilaw siya. Mas maganda to may ilaw. May ilaw siya. Yeah, may ilaw dad. This was better oh. Alis ka dyan. It lights up. So kahit madilim, pwede mo na siyang gamitin.
So like 3
Yeah. So ito yung lahat ng binili namin. Yung iba hindi pa namin na-test. Yung iba ayaw gumana. From China.
Make sure to stay updated because we're going to make a part 2 because not everything is here even though there's a lot of stuff.
So that's the end of the video. So like and subscribe.
If you enjoyed the video and
Yeah.
make sure to hit the notification bell to never miss a video.
And if you want us to do more videos, just comment down below.
Yes. Make sure to stay updated. too,
Tapos yung
because
part 2. We have a
Yes,
part
we have
2
a part
with
two.
Mystery Box Challenge.
Wow!
Bye!
Bye. from Ninja Van. I mean, the packaging is from Ninja Van. But that's bloopers. Not sponsored by them. Definitely not
Dami hanash.
sponsored.
Dami hanash ni tama.
Speaking Filipino English.
Why? I'm not allowed to speak
I don't
Filipino.
know. What if someone else watching is American? Only knows English.
Dad, ayaw niya ako pag English eh. Ay, pag Tagalogin.
By the way, go follow my TikTok. Santi. It's called
Just gonna put it here, his TikTok channel.
The main
Naolay
found it on
moisturizer. I
free
use
shipping.
this all the
Found it
time.
in free shipping, and she wanted to buy all this.
Why are you repeating what I'm saying?
So I'm trying to translate.
You don't need to translate.
I probably don't understand.
I'm talking to our Filipino audience. We're Filipino, so we have to talk to them
What
in
if the
Tagalog. Naririnig kaya kami? Ang ingay ni ate. Ate, wait lang. Walang battery, ang daming battery. Tatlo isa.
You have to buy like 100 batteries.
What kind of China product is this?
China.
Chinese.
I like you, but you need too much batteries.
Pwede talagang vlogger itong anak mo. Pakadaldal eh. Nakakainis ka. Nagsasalita ako, tapos nagsasalita siya. Dad, ayoko na.
Mag-usap kayo, paano mo gagawin?
Stop talking when I'm talking, and then when you're talking, I'm not even talking. The audience will be confused. Tayo yung bloopers itong ano na to. Haba-haba na. Relax ako pa yung ano.
I know, but I don't know what to talk about.
Just relax ako yung words. Si Arlo, ano nang meeting kay Arlo?
Oh. Fun things. I can put stickers on. Yeah, I just like
Yun yung ending natin. Huwag muna, wait! I don't like the ending. O, patay mo na. Yun ako.